These are the elevators at the Carriage Park Garage, Lincoln, Nebraska. Please pause and read that. These are 1993 Montgomery elevators, and the chime's been replaced. These are Montgomery from 1993, so this will be the final ride for this year. So will be next year. Probably these elevators are getting modernized, going to be out of order, out of service, and a few more months, about weeks. So here we go. And it's been current state. So here we go. Yeah, the chime doesn't light up. Let's go to 6. Here we go. Here's 6. Let's go back down to ground. Okay, we'll get a cat view on this one for all the way down. And there's Mom. Hi.
Hi.
There's your window. Big picture on the window. There's our friend, Mr. Security Camera. Hi. And the other one is can't see all the way, see the letter G on it because it's due to the sun. Wait for the elevator parts go up, and there goes the other one. There goes that one. All right, let's get this one. Listen to this. Replace the chime. What? It says going down. It says going up. That's kind of messed up. What's this door? Squeaky. Spooky door. Here are 6. Oh, look above the stairs by the machine room. It says elevator out of service. Let's go back down to ground. In your cab view, this is just like the other one. Stainless steel. Easier fixtures. Adding Survivor Plus vandal resistant. Carriage elevator number 2. There's your security camera. Montgomery. And there it goes. Spooky. Okay, so far so good.
So far so good. No renovations yet?
Nope.
Okay.
But let me show you the sign that's on the.
Okay, you come in and you got about 5 minutes on the meter. Okay, turn. Here we go. Okay.
See, look at the sign on the middle. Look at the sign.
Yeah. Rooftop access will not be available during the months when normal snowfall could accumulate. Stalls will be available on all levels below the rooftop. Cones are in place to block off the rooftop for your protection and could remain until spring.
Thank you for your cooperation. There's a stairs all the way up to the next to the machine room. Let me show you.
Okay?
Let me show you on the stairs.
I've already seen the stairs. Look. You come over here, you can see stairs all the way up there. All the way up there, okay?
Let me see all the way up to level 6.
Okay. Quickly.
Yeah, the bell, it doesn't light up.
Yeah. That's one of the things they're gonna fix when they start renovation, right?
Yep, pretty soon.
Well, they were supposed to start it back in what, September?
September?
Yeah. And that was 3 months ago.
Yeah,
I think they're a little bit behind schedule.
yeah. This one is 5,000 pounds. This is a non-death trap.
Well, they should all be non-death traps. Okay, you wanna show me real quick? Okay.
Oh, look.
Hey, we got it faster than you guys did. Yep.
See there?
That's a sign that it's coming soon. We're working to fix the problem. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Yeah,
So they're getting things ready
yep.
when they do start.
Let's go back down to the same elevator.
Every once in a while.
Let's go back down to the same elevator.
Okay.
This one upstairs on top floor.
That one works.
That one works, but the one downstairs doesn't.
Okay. Okay. Are you gonna watch out for back?
Look at the window. So this might be a final ride until these. Ooh.
That stop there was a little jerky.
Yeah. All right.
That was a jerky stop.
Jerky stop. And
They fix that.
watch it close up. We'll watch it go up.
Okay, quickly.
Mom, let's watch it go up. There it goes.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. That's it. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
See, this might be the final ride because next year these elevators are getting modernized by Electric or a ThyssenKrupp Elevator Corporation. So this is the last day for this year.
Yep.
We'll see you.
We got 2 more weeks till Christmas.
Yeah,
10 days.
10 days.
10 days.
With still that being said,
That's it.
bye.
Bye.